Did you get it, Bone? Willa! There's one right here. Try to catch it, Bone. Right there where Birdie's at, there's one. Keep looking. Try to catch it, sister. You see any more? Did you catch it, Bone? Keep looking. There's probably another one there. Yeah, it is. Oh, there's a school of fish right there. You guys stay away from the schools because the shark might come up.